Hey girl, if you ever said, I'm smart, I've done the work, I've taken the courses, so why am I still not making consistent money online? You're not alone. In this video right here, it's not just information, it's actually confirmation to you, to your heart, to your spirit. We're going to talk about the real reason, like most brilliant, gifted women are still underpaid and unseen in this space, and what you can do about it right now. You see, you're much like me. You're not a beginner. You've done the work. You've launched, posted, you learned, tried, failed, pivoted. You're 40 plus. You got life wisdom. You are done playing small. You're very intuitive, but you're tired of guessing. You don't have this desire to just go viral. Like, you want to make income with integrity. You are the one in the room who should be leading, but mhm, you've been sitting back quietly. Excellent, but quietly frustrated too. Does all of this sound familiar to you? I thought so. Because you don't need more talent. You don't need another mindset shift. You need a model that finally matches your mastery. And I want to tell you the truth. Okay. You tried the coaching, you've taken the courses, you posted for free, you built the brand, you showed up faithfully, but the money still inconsistent, still unpredictable, still not adding up. My girls will always say, girl, the math ain't mathing. And you're tired, tired of working harder. Then you see others who seem to be doing less. You are tired of feeling like you missed your moment. You're tired of being the most qualified in the room and still overlooked. Mhm. You're not burnt out because you're lazy. You're burnt out because you've been carrying everything by yourself. You're done with posting just to hear crickets, courses that overpromise and underdeliver, building brands instead of actual income, starting from scratch every time a trend changes. You feel so invisible in rooms that yes, you were called to lead. You're not confused, okay? You just over it, okay? And that's the best place to be, over it. Because now you're ready to stop chasing success and start receiving results. Am I right? Uh-huh. I know I'm right. I know I'm right. Because you are much like me, girl. Okay. You are craving a soft, repeatable way to make real money online. You want daily income without daily pressure. You want a clear, done for you path, not just another 12 module course. You want a business model that works even when life is lifing. Cause life is gonna life, okay? You want a guide, not a guru, someone who sees you and not just sells to you. And above all of everything I said, you want to feel powerful again, not from proving, but from actually a place of peace. You are afraid this will be another thing that doesn't work. You've launched before, you've been excited before, but what if this time it's just like the last time? I know, I've been there. I've been exactly where you are and how you feel. I have. You are afraid your people won't get you. You think that the market's too saturated. You think it's too late. You think maybe, just maybe, you won't be successful, but you really, really want to be free. But let me tell you something. All of this is fear. It's not the end of your story. It's the beginning of a shift. This is the shift that I had to have. Okay. Here's the real reason most smart women still aren't making consistent sales online. They're overqualified for the wrong model. Mhm. They're building from scratch when they should be plugging into systems. They're creating content when they should be selling products. They're stuck in all this strategy when what they really need, you need structure. You don't need more followers. You don't need to be an influencer. You just need a model that matches your season and your skills. I'm not telling you what I heard. I'm telling you what I lived and still live till this day. I am a smart woman, but I used to be the one that was brilliant and broke and burnt out. I tried to be everywhere. I did the most. I over delivered and still wasn't seeing the return I deserved until I had to simplify. Until I stopped creating and started converting. Until I built a turnkey business model that pays me daily without performance. And now I offer the same model to women just like you. Here's how I would explain it to my own friends. Okay. It's not a course, it's a digital business in a box. You get the product, you get the plan, you get 100% profits. What you don't need to build from scratch. You don't need to go viral. You just need a business that's soft, that's strategic, and set up for peace while you live your life. Okay? While you work on yourself, while you do the things you love, while you pick up hobbies, you need that business to be working for you. Okay? It's just how your life is set up. And don't apologize for that. Okay? Do not apologize for that. You may be retired. You may be like me, a stay at home mom or a wife, homeschool mom. Like your assignment right now is your family. That's what your assignment is. But you do need to make money, right? You need to make money because your family likes to vacation on your money. You want to do extra things for your family. You want to go all out for your children's birthdays. You want to make sure even for the summertime that you're able to have and do activities with and for your children. Okay. I know I know you. I'm just like you. Okay. I'm just like you. So it's not important that you have this big, massive brand or be this big influencer or this big thought leader. Now, there's nothing wrong with being those things if you want to. But over here, listen, we live peaceful, soft life, and we want everything else to be it because our number one priority is us. Our second priority is our family. If this message hit home, I want you to click that link below in my description. This is for the woman who's ready now. She just needed the right model, the right example. Okay. You are not too late. You're not behind. You're just one decision away from the business and the peace you were born for. This was built for the woman I used to be. And now I'm inviting you to build yours with me. Yes, with me. Because what I am not is a woman that looks high or sits high and looks low on you as if I am just this big influencer. That's not the case. I'm with you. That's why it's important for me to also offer my mentorship as well to make sure that we're plugged in together, we're encouraging each other, and not only that, we're taking action together. All right. So that's what I'm on. So if you're on the same path, you feel me and you're ready now, okay? I want action takers on my team. I want action takers on my team. Yes, life is lifing for your girl too. But one of the things that I will do is show up. You know why? Because I show up for you. All right. So listen, if you want what I'm on, you know where to find me. Until then, you can go ahead and like this video. You can go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Okay? So let's plug in. All right, let's stop wasting time because we have a lot more time behind us than we do in front of us. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.